Capitalization and punctuation practice. Capitalization and punctuation rule. Every sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. A punctuation mark can be a period used to state a fact, a question mark used to ask a question, or an exclamation point used to show excitement. Can you fix this sentence? The girl and the boy like to play with the cat. The T in the needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence. There needs to be a period at the end of the sentence because it states a fact. Fix the sentence number 2. How many fish are in the fishbowl? The H in how needs to be capitalized. There's a question mark at the end of this sentence because it asks a question. Fix the sentence number 3. Wow, that was fun. The W in wow gets capitalized, and there's an exclamation point at the end of this sentence because it shows excitement. Fix the sentence number 4. Stop! Don't do that. The S gets capitalized, and there's an exclamation point at the end of this sentence. Fix the sentence number 5. My friend likes to play video games. The M in my gets capitalized, and there's a period at the end of the sentence. Fix the sentence number 6. What is your favorite ice cream? The W in what gets capitalized, and there's a question mark at the end of the sentence. Here's a reminder. Every sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. No other words get capitalized unless they are a special name or the letter I. Fix the sentence number 7. It is fun to run with my friend. The I in it gets capitalized. The M in my does not need to be capitalized, and there's a period at the end of this sentence. Fix the sentence number 8. We like to ride our bikes on a nice day. The W in we is already capitalized. There does not need to be a capital R in ride or a capital B in bikes, and we need a period at the end of this sentence. Fix the sentence number 9. How many pets do you have? The H in how needs to be capitalized. The Y in many and the H in have do not need to be capitalized. You need a question mark at the end of this sentence. Fix the sentence number 10. My friend and I are going to play ball. The M in my is already capitalized. Friend does not need to be capitalized. You do need a capital I, and you need a period at the end of the sentence. Fix the sentence number 11. Wow, I did a great job. The W in wow needs to be capitalized. You need to capitalize the I. The G in great and the J in job do not need to be capitalized. You need an exclamation point at the end of this sentence. Fix the sentence number 12. Are you going to visit your grandparents? You need a capital A at the beginning of the sentence for R. You do not need a capital I in the middle of the word visit. you need a question mark at the end of this sentence. Here's another reminder. Capitalize special names such as the names of people and places. Which words should be capitalized? Cat? No. How about Bob? Yes. Mom? No. How about Anne? Yes, because it's the name of a person. How about Mr. Simpson? Definitely another name of a person. Taco Bell? Oh yeah, we've been to Taco Bell. It's the name of a place. Ham? Oh, that's just any old food. No. How about zoo? Zoo is a place, but that could be any zoo. It's not the name of the zoo. No. Walmart? Definitely, it's the name of a place. Yay, you did it! You did a great job. Thanks for watching.